Doing the work of repairing your credit score can be complicated and time-consuming. And large companies that repair credit are expensive and can often get mixed results. Using do-it-yourself credit repair is fast, easy, and gives you more options and free to use. Simply activate your credit monitoring subscription, and our system will immediately show you the areas you might want to dispute. Select the reason you're disputing the item, or create your own custom reason. A letter will be automatically generated, which you can print and mail yourself. Or let us send it on your behalf for roughly the price of postage. When disputing an item more than once, our system automatically changes strategies by adjusting the letters it creates, giving you the best chances for success. Sign up for free and get started today.